What? What is that? Indominus Rex.
Hey guys, if you're wondering why I'm standing here next to this large dinosaur, it's because I'm about to throw my son a roarsome birthday party. So if you're interested in seeing what I do, then stay tuned. So when he first comes down, he is going to see this green streamers, and then I have my dinosaur feet that I made, and then I have my giant dinosaur. He's going to be so surprised with this. As far as my table setting, I have a brown satin tablecloth. I had some cutouts of some dinosaur feet as just a little added decoration to the table. I have my white chair covers, and on this side I have my green chair sashes. And over here I have my brown chair sashes it's just the 5 of us. It's a virtual birthday party, so we have to get everyone signed in, all that good stuff. So right here we have some more paper cutouts. Now this party, you guys, because I couldn't get to the store, I pretty much just used a lot of paper and made cutouts just to kind of create the effect that I was sort of looking for. But yeah, so I think he will still like this. What else? For my table settings, I have my gold chargers. I have my green paper plates from the Dollar Tree, some napkins. As far as my centerpieces, I just have my balloon stands. And I just took a couple of the dinosaur feet and just attached them to the balloons just to kind of add to the whole dinosaur theme. You guys, don't laugh at my cake. This is my first attempt at a cake, and it looked horrible, but it's okay. He's gonna love it.
Dad,
How's
sorry,
it look,
Kason.
How's it look, Kason?
Okay.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yay!
Happy birthday.
Now, and what else? Oh, here's my banner. It says happy birthday. I don't know if you guys can really see it. Yeah, a dinosaur. Then I have my leaves. So I use the leaves just to kind of fill the room up a lot more. So I do have a lot of those in the room. I have this wonderful backdrop. I am loving it. He is going to love this. We'll probably add this to their playroom or his bedroom. Well, I'll ask him afterwards to see what he wants to do. Here I have, just to kind of hide some of the stuff back here, I set up a backdrop stand, have some dinosaur feet and some streamer paper, just to kind of add the same color to the room and to kind of block some of the things behind it. I have my green uplights right here. Got some balloons going around. This big old thing is our bounce house, so we'll use this after we get the party started. Again, we have I have my cutout leaves going all around the room. Here's another banner that I made with his name, added little spikes to it. I think it came out real cute. What else? Oh, and then I have my roar sign, or my roar cutout letter, so I just cut out letters and spelled out roar. This streamer thing, I was trying to create like a tree hanging type thing. It didn't come out the way I wanted it to, but hey, it's okay. It's for a 7-year-old birthday party. So I have that going on. And then here I took some streamer paper and just made the number 7. It's falling apart. It's okay. Got a little dinosaur, stegosaurus on top. And then lastly, I have some dinosaur feet over here. So I would have done more, but our virtual party is about to start. And like I said, I've only had about 2 or 3 hours to kind of pull this together. It's been kind of crazy, you guys. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. And I will talk to you guys in the next one. Stay safe, you guys. Take care.